Hello, candidate number 12.
Hi, sir.
Are you happy you landed in the top 5?
Very happy, sir.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo kasi pinag-usayan ninyo. Okay. Candidate number 12. Could you please state your full name?
I am from John D. Lacson Foundation, Maritime University, Moloko.
Your full name. What is your full name?
Sorry. My full name is Janela Bea Salapantan Lobe Visa.
Ang haba. Jobela naman ang tawag ko sa iyo, ha? Is it Jobela?
Janila.
Janila, I'm sorry. Okay, Janila, here's the question. Who is Janila after winning the crown tonight?
The Janila you have seen here tonight, standing in front of you, is someone who has dreamed of coming here onto the national stage, actually representing my institution, which is John B. Lacson Foundation, Maritime University, was a dream going to our Ilocrisaa onto the regionals, and I can't believe that bringing Region 6 with me here was a dream come true, more than a dream come true. But to answer your question, sir, who am I after winning the crown? I am going to be, aside from being an ambassador of sports and development, I see myself as an advocate of sports for all despite diversity, because I know that sports is not limitless. It is someone even more than we have ever imagined. And if I were to be Mucha ng Prisa 2024, working hand in hand with this organization can help me and our dreams, our student athletes, come to greater heights. That will be all. Thank you.
Hello, candidate number 7. Are you happy?
I am very happy.
Nakakatuwa. Nakarating ka dyan sa top 5.
Thank you very much.
Now, candidate number 7, could you please state your full name?
My name is Lizelle Ann Bautista Ito.
Okay, the question is, who is Miss Lizelle Ann B. Inigo after winning the crown tonight?
Miss Lizelle Ann Bautista Inigo, after winning the crown tonight, is a nursing graduate who can contribute and bring attention to the importance of sports and health and fitness through sports, rather. Because I believe that through this platform, through Mundial and Pisaa, I will be able to bring importance to sports and health and fitness. Because I believe that through this platform, I can inspire athletes to prioritize their health and overall well-being. Because after all, I am a mutya who is beyond beauty and grace, but also an advocate for health and fitness through sports. Thank you very much.
Candidate number 2, please state your full name.
I am Chantal Chloe Cabrera Beckson.
The question is, who is Chantel Chloe Cabrera Pexon after winning the crown tonight?
Thank you for the very wonderful question, sir. Chantal Chloe Cabrera Beckson, after winning the crown tonight, she is a living testament that every dream is valid with hard work, determination, and commitment. She is a living testament to other student athletes that there is no point in limiting your abilities. Because who would have thought that a little shy girl who limits her abilities in the four corners of her room would be competing in a national stage? And I hope that through sharing my story, I could be able to inspire other student athletes to weave your dreams into reality, to be brave enough to fight for your dreams, to never let anyone limit your talents. Because through that what makes a great athlete. And that has given, and Pisaa has given us a very good platform already for us to showcase our ability, not just for the whole nation to see, but for the whole world to witness. And that what makes Pisaa truly angat sa lahat. And we student athletes, we can weave our dreams into reality starting tonight. Thank you.
I would like you to state state your full name. State your full name.
I am Tracy R. Dizon, sir.
Miss Tracy R. Dizon, who are you after winning the crown tonight?
So who is me after winning the crown? I want to be an ambassadress. The ambassadress of sports and physical education. As a criminology student and student athlete, I am proudly putting my advocacy in the promotion of sports and physical education. This advocacy is deeply rooted in my love of sports, and that is valuable. Through the different programs that we are able to enjoy as a student, with one being sports, we get to expose the values that supports the ideal of sports. With the help of our coaches and trainers, we are able to reach a number of young minds, even beyond the PRISA athletes. Through this, we can educate our youth in the avoidance of vices and drugs as we promote taking care of our overall well-being. We the youth, we the ambassadors, play a vital role in laying the foundation for the society and its future. Let us be a positive contributor and make our interest in sports. Fuel us to create a positive impact in the community around us and in the world. And I believe the main goal of being a mutya and PRISA is to encourage, inspire, and relieve an impact. Thank you.
Miss R,
Hello, Sir
are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Yes. And congratulations, you landed to the top 5. Now, Miss Carr, state your full name.
My name is Janela Andala Recio.
Okay, the question is, who is Janela Recio after winning the crown tonight?
For me, Janela Recio, after winning a crown tonight, is a woman of power. I am not a Cordilleran by blood, but I am a Cordilleran by heart, and I proudly represent my region because they happily accepted me when I first arrived as an abroad kid. And for me, I do not want to be just a beauty queen who promotes or advocates for my cause. I want to be a beauty queen who promotes Philippine sports because I believe that's the acknowledgement that a Filipino athlete